Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's highly anticipated flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We'll explore the groundbreaking Exynos 2500 chipset and its potential impact not just on Samsung's lineup, but also on the future of Google Pixel smartphones. If you're eager to stay ahead in tech and uncover the future of smartphone technology, stick with us until the end. The Galaxy S24 series has already captivated tech enthusiasts with its stellar performance and impressive energy efficiency. Earlier this month, various media outlets highlighted Samsung's progress with its 3 nanometer process technology, crucial for manufacturing the Exynos 2500. The Exynos 2500 chipset is more than just a hardware upgrade. It's the backbone of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which Samsung is poised to unveil early next year. What makes this even more intriguing is the potential crossover into Google's Pixel lineup. However, this ambitious project faces challenges, with defect rates currently exceeding 80%. For mass production to become viable, this figure needs to be reduced to below 40%. The Exynos 2500 chipset is more than just a hardware upgrade. It's the backbone of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which Samsung is poised to unveil early next year. As we approach the launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the stakes are high. Samsung is not just competing against its usual rivals, but is aiming to set new industry standards. The integration of the Exynos 2500 chipset, whether in Samsung's own devices or in Google's Pixel smartphones, will be a crucial factor in this competitive race. Stay tuned as we keep you updated with all the latest news, rumors, and leaks leading up to the official launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming content. See you in the next video, and until then, stay ahead of the curve in tech.